Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel Maths with Berlin, and this is another video on Master Stroke series season 2. So basically in this question what we are given is that we need to find the value of the following expression, this following series basically, in terms of tan of 108 and tan of 8 degrees, right? So let's move on to the solution of the video, and those who want to try the question, they may pause the video right here, give it a try, and if you have done it, you may check out the solutions or the answer key, right? So moving on, basically if you see in this problem, what is given to us is nothing but this expression, right? 3 to the power r into tan of 8 into 3 to the power r by 1 minus 3 tan square 8 into 3 to the power r. This is the expression that is given to us, right? Now this expression, it looks just like the tan of 3 theta, right? Just a bit modification, but it looks like tan of 3 theta. So what you do is you try to formulate an expression of this kind, right? This given general term of the series, you try to formulate an expression in the general term so that you can just try to understand what is, better. So what I do is I multiply 3 times tan of theta. After that, what happens is I get the value of 8 tan theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta plus tan theta as follows, right? I basically try to simplify this. This is just a simplification which you need to understand, right? It's nothing to memorize about, it's just simplification. Now what happens is I divide the expression by 8 on both the sides, RHS and LHS. So basically after that it happens to be 3 by 8 times tan of 3 theta is equal to tan theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta plus tan theta divided by 8, right? Now moving on, what I do is I put the value of theta as equal to 8 degrees, right? That is what I basically do. Now what happens is when I put the value of theta equal to 8 degrees, it gives us the value of tan of 24 degrees in terms of tan of 8 degrees, right? Now similarly, putting the value of tan of, not tan, it's theta, putting the value of theta equal to 24, I can get this expression, right? That is 3 tan 24 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 24 degree plus 3 by 8 tan of 24 degree, right? Now you can try to simplify this out by moving this tan of 8 degree to this side, right? And after a bit of simplifications, if you see, wait a minute, let me just clarify this one. This is equal to tan of 72 degree. It is not 3 by 8 minus 72 degree. It is 3 times 3 by 8 into tan of 72 degree, right? I have just multiplied a 3 here, a 3 here, a 3 here, and a 3 here, right? Very simple. Now moving on like this, if you solve it in this pattern, that is in basically you try to figure out the values in terms of 3 by 8 tan of 3 theta equal to tan theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta plus tan theta by 8. What happens is you basically try to figure it out, and the final expression for this would be somewhat like this, because you need to subtract this one, right? Basically you have to subtract the value of tan of 8 degree by 8 because you added that to the expression when you add it, right? You need to add the expressions, right, so that it is very easy for you. Now what happens is after some simplifications you get the final answer to be 3 to the power 4 tan of 648 by 8, right? Now 648 degrees is basically 108 degrees if you see, and therefore you get the value of this as a equal to, wait a minute, you get the value of a, that is there, to be equal to minus 1 by 8, and the value of b, that is there, that is equal to 81 by 8 degrees, right? So this is the answer that is there. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Please solve more problems, and please send any problem that you find very tricky and intuitive. Thank you.